What's up, guys? Today we are going to talk pliers. We have come to the 1 month mark of the Workpro pliers. I've used them only these for the last month, and my overall impressions are they worked out really well. In fact, I liked grabbing for them in the bag and using them. They held up well. Apparently they're like Mastercraft. I mean, they exceeded my expectations. The only thing I will say is the tab isn't as annoying as I thought it was going to be. On the smaller one, I don't know, sometimes it was just, but I think that's just breaking in with use. But they weren't annoying to me. I like them. I'll show you guys some other sets I've had. One is the Irwin vice grips. They served me well. I like them. They are a lot thicker, which isn't bad, you know, for definitely, you know, for different applications, you kind of need different thicknesses to get into certain spots. But the Workpros have a little bit more of a handle. A little bit bigger on the jaw width. Now this is Knipex. I used these mostly before. The Workpro even has, but you can see even the Knipex is thinner than the Workpro, and the Workpro is thinner than the Irwin. I think all three are pretty much not a bad deal at all. If you want a push button plier, these are all great options. I'll say just like the Knipex, the Workpro does not have the most comfortable grips, you know, when you're really going on something, but it's not bad either. It's not too bad. The Irwins definitely have the nicest grip. So like I said, for push button pliers, I don't think you could go wrong with any of these three. The Knipex, the Workpros definitely held their own so far, and I'm actually going to keep them in my bag. I think because I like using these more for just plumbing wise. Let me see the, I think I already did it, but the jaw width, I think these are about, supposed to be about the same. The Workpro has a little bit more, and there's the head difference. This is the jaw. It's the Knipex, whatever. There we go. As for pliers though, ain't nothing wrong. There's some good old channel locks. You guys, this is pretty cool. This is an older set of Sears, made in Japan. I don't know if you can see that right there. It says Japan. These have been nice for me. Handles are very similar. I also recently bought these for their Wild, W-I-L-D-E. Not a bad pair either. So you got these three here. And then these have been good for me too. These are the Craftsman Evolve when they came out, the cheap first time homeowner type kit. But I don't think it's even that cheaply made, that bad. They have nice grips on them. They're not great, but these are what I started off with here at work. So my final opinion, I think, is 15 bucks for this set on Amazon. Well worth the money. I think my Knipex and E-Pex. I think the Irwin is about 14, 15 bucks for this set. This set of 4, which is let's see, about 8701-300. 8701-250, 8701-180, 8701-125, and I actually have used these little ones. I think for this 4 set, and these are monstrous. These are nice. These are the Cobras. That's Cobra, 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 Cobra. I found these on Amazon for $89. Expensive, but they are good. I like them. But I don't think you can go wrong with Channel Lock or the Workpro or the Irwin. Because really, I hate saying it, but it comes down to what feels good in your hand. But that's my honest review on the Workpros. Is I'm keeping them in the bag to use full time for my general purpose bag. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.